Lit AF, meaning amazing. The concert was lit AF. Salty, meaning angry or bitter. He's always salty whenever he loses the game. Thirsty, meaning desperate for attention or affection. She's always posting selfies. She's so thirsty. Gucci, meaning good or cool. This outfit is Gucci. Bae, meaning a significant other. I'm spending the weekend with my bae. GOAT, meaning greatest of all time. Jordan is the GOAT of basketball. Cray, meaning crazy. The party was cray. YOLO, meaning you only live once. Let's do skydiving. YOLO. Thick, meaning curvy or voluptuous. She's got a thick figure. FOMO, meaning fear of missing out. I have major FOMO from not going to the concert. Slay, meaning to do something incredibly well. She slayed that performance. Litmus, meaning a test of something. The new product was a litmus test for the company's success. Savage, meaning fierce or brutal. That was a savage comeback. Clapback, meaning a sharp comeback to a comment or insult. Her clapback shut down the haters. Ghosted, meaning to suddenly stop communicating with someone. Mike ghosted Sarah after the first date. Trolling, meaning deliberately provoking others online. Stop trolling people on social media. Woke, meaning socially aware or enlightened. She's very woke about social justice issues. Cringe, meaning awkward or embarrassing. That was a cringe-worthy moment. Finesse, meaning to handle something skillfully. She finessed her way out of a difficult situation. Hundo P, meaning 100% sure. I'm 100% sure I left my keys at home. Basic, meaning unoriginal. Her taste in music is so basic. Lit up, meaning drunk or intoxicated. He got lit up at the party last night. Bet, meaning agreed. Hey, you wanna grab some pizza later? Bet, that sounds good. Snatched, meaning looking good. Her makeup is snatched today. On sleek, meaning perfectly styled. Her eyebrows are on sleek. Tea, meaning gossip. Give me the tea on what happened last night. Sus, meaning suspicious. I don't know why, but that guy's behavior seems sus to me. I won't trust him. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content.